Quality is not a single action, it's not a single expert, but it's a cultural approach that starts at the beginning of every process. Outstanding quality is reached focusing on every single aspect, and for this reason we speak about extended quality. Is there an area in our combine where your expectations were exceeded?
The finish of the combine, so not only the cabin where you sat, everything's finished and very good, but the quality of the paintwork. It's very robust. It feels like it's built to last.
Die Kabine ist sauber verarbeitet, ist eine ruhige Kabine, wo man sich auch wohlfühlt.
Is there an area where your expectations in terms of quality were not completely satisfied?
Nous avons rencontré quelques petits soucis de serrage d'écrou lors de la première année, mais c'est un problème qui a été vite réglé par les équipes Fendt et par le concessionnaire qui a été très réactif. Sinon, dans l'ensemble, la qualité de la machine est très bonne.
Von der Verkleidung von den Hauben ist die Verarbeitung gut, da klappert nichts, es sind große Klappen, man kann Wartungsarbeiten vernünftig durchführen. Das ist alles schön und vernünftig gelöst.
There's nothing that I can think of. Everything is as I would expect it to be and is top quality.
About the screw getting loose, we are working on this. We have 2 dedicated workshops were involved all departments, engineering and external expertise. And in particular, as quality, we have the quality gates team that is monitoring the situation. Have you ever been in our production plant in Brazzale?
Yes, I have. It was very impressive. I was impressed to see how much was actually manufactured there, rather than just an assembly line. It was a full. There was sheet steel coming in, and there was laser cutters and robotics, and then jigs and welding machines, all building individual components. It was fantastic to see, and then we went on from there to see everything going through the not only the manufacturing but then also the paint workshop, which was very impressive and dedicated just for that plant. And then onto the assembly line, I was impressed with how tidy it was. Everywhere was very, very, very clean and tidy, and it was all very streamlined. And also the speed that a combine was produced. It was impressive to see down the line that it went from all the small components built to a combine at the end of the line. And also the testing facilities as well. So not only the testing of the finished combine, but also there was an area for measuring the chassis and making sure that everything was where it should be. And to very, very tight tolerances as well. It was an impressive factory.
Do you recommend to other farmers to visit our plants in Brazzale?
I definitely would. Yes, it installs more faith in the product. You get to see the quality right from the sheet metal coming in to being cut and manufactured all the way through to it being painted, and then the whole assembly process all the way through, and it highlights the fact that it's quality all the way from start to finish.
Thank you, Fred, for your comments. Quality is in every single step of the process of assembly of the combine, from manufacturing to shipping department. And in the shipping department, we are the final defender and allies for our customer, because we have to guarantee the high quality of our combine. Fendt is well known for its high standard quality. Does the IDEAL also fit to this standard?
Yes, it does. Having run other Fendt machines, the tractors and the rogator, we've come to expect a certain quality of machine, and the IDEAL definitely it fits in there and is up there with the rest of the Fendt brand.
Fendt a eu toujours pour nous une image de qualité, et quand nous avons acheté les premiers tracteurs Fendt, nous avons été très satisfaits, et la moissonneuse, l'IDEAL, va dans la lignée des tracteurs avec une très bonne qualité et une très bonne image.